What's up, guys? Welcome back to Wolfman Racing Channel. In this video, y'all are going to get to see the new headers that we installed on the Nova. We also got in a new steering wheel that's got a line lock button and a nitrous button. Y'all are going to get to see me wiring that up. We also got in a nitrous plate system. Y'all get to see me installing that on an upcoming video. Y'all enjoy this video.
Hey Aaron, what you doing?
Wiring up a steering wheel for the Nova. Hooking up for nitrous button and the line lock.
Okay.
And we got some upgrades come that's on the Nova. We got a new ignition box, and we got some fender exit headers, and we got something almost ready to be picked up at the fiberglass shop.
Okay.
So just keep an eye on the channel, and we'll have a new video out on the new part coming from the fiberglass shop. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.